So we're bringing out the big guns today and talking about the Zeo Aggressive Anti-Aging Kit, which may sound quite a scary name, but actually this is one of the most fantastic kits and contains so much in it to support your anti-aging journey and optimum skin health. So within this kit, you get the Zeo Hydrating Cleanser at 60 ml. The reason they opt for the hydrating cleanser within this kit is that we're going to progress on to some retinols, so it just adds some extra hydration to soothe any potential anticipated reactions. Then you get a 16.2 gram of exfoliating polish, which is a travel size and can be used a few times a week at your own preference. Followed by the Complexion Renewal pads. There are 30 of those in this kit. And then a 30 ml of Daily Power Defense, which is our go-to product for skin hydration, cellular turnover and barrier repair. Then the two key treatment products within this kit are Radical Night Repair, which is a 1% retinol, and that can be used every night. And then to support hydration, because you might get some anticipated reaction from the retinol, we've got the Zeo Renewal Cream, a full size one at 50 ml. So it's a really good value kit with two full size treatment products in there. You can rotate the Radical Night Repair and the Renewal Cream depending on how well your skin tolerates the retinol. And your skin expert would guide you through how best to layer these in your regime, and will tailor it to suit your specific skin type.